If your Ford Explorer AC suddenly stopped blowing cold, don't panic. The fix is usually simpler than a full compressor replacement. Statistically, nearly half of all Explorer AC failures are caused by simple electrical faults rather than mechanical leaks. Before you head to the shop, let's go through the diagnostic steps to find the culprit. Start with the fuse box under the hood to ensure the compressor is actually getting power. If the fuses are good, the most common mechanical issue is a leak at the evaporator core. If you hear a clicking sound behind the dashboard, your blend door actuator has likely failed. You can handle fuses and basic recharges yourself, but internal leaks require professional recovery tools. Repair costs vary wildly, so identifying the specific component before buying parts is essential. Use a jumper wire on the low-pressure switch to quickly determine if the system is just low on gas. A basic multimeter and an OBD-I scanner are your best friends when troubleshooting Ford electronics. Don't forget the basics. A leaf-clogged condenser can often mimic a total system failure. Check those fuses first and stay cool. Hit subscribe for more Ford Explorer troubleshooting guides.